Hey guys, let's straight away get started with the video. So you'll have to open the Chrome browser and search for Blynk console, and once you click on the first link you'll get a sign up page and you'll have to log in or sign up. I'll just log in it, and here you'll see your dashboard. I'll give you step-by-step procedure how to do it, so you can just follow me so that you can do it easily. So here you'll have to create a new template and name it. After this, you'll have to select the device which you're using and give a description to this and then just save it. So after this, we'll have to create a data stream for that and assign a virtual pins. So for that, we will just click on data stream and click on new data stream and click on virtual pins. So once you click on virtual pins, you will get the data streams. So here we will place it as V1 for the weather. This is our first virtual pin, and you can just assign it as V1, and then let's name it as a string because we're going to check it rainy or windy. So after this, we will assign one more virtual pin for the terminal, so we can access all the data which is stored. So this data won't vanish. It's a temporary data which won't vanish, but it will store all the data. And here we will name it as terminal log with a virtual pin V5, and then save it or create the virtual pin. Here we will enable the history because we want to save the history. The best part is we are going to store this history of data whatever we are getting accessed on our local computers as well as a .csv file. So we will see how exactly we are going to do it. Now coming to our main part, web dashboard. Just to see how exactly the dashboard is going to look, here we are going to place the widget box to see how exactly our data is coming through ESP32 Arduino or Raspberry Pi. Here you will have to assign your virtual pin connected through your code, and then let's do a create it. And here our terminal is ready, and after this we will have to select our terminal log. Now it's time for us to place the label on the web dashboard. Here it displays the string data sent from the microcontroller or Raspberry Pi to the Blynk app, and here is the string, and here we are going to display all the data. So this is our terminal log, and this is how our web dashboard will look, where we will receive all the data. Now let's place the device which we created as weather, and we are going to get our Blynk authentication to this after creating the device. Here you can see we got it. Just copy it to the clipboard and let's place it in our code. So this is my Python code to send Raspberry Pi data to the Blynk app. This code will be available in the description. You can get it from there. Now as we run the code, here you can see the weather is being already displayed, and this is all stored in terminal log as a temporary data. All the data is being stored in the temporary log, and we can store it as a permanent data as well. In this way you can send your temperature data or any data. Instead of putting it as a string, you can put it as an integer to get the number data like temperature and all. So once you're done with that, we are going to see how this is stored in our local directories also. Here in the code, as you can see, we have made a weather data.csv file so that we can store all the data coming from Raspberry Pi into our local file. Now it's time for us to check how the data is being stored. Let's search weather data.csv file. So here we have saved it in the name of weather data.csv file. We will just open it. Here you can see, and as you can see, all the data is stored permanently in your local files. Now that's all for today. In case if you like this video or found any way helpful, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you.